Hi everybody, welcome to Barn in the Backwoods, and we are making
chicken Parmesan poppers.
So I'm all about winging it. I don't have a recipe. I've never made this before. We are totally just throwing stuff that I had in the fridge and in the pantry together. So Jimmy's here with me, and he wants to assist or help with cooking. So, all right, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, so we have 2 cans of chicken. So Jimmy's going to take those over and drain those, and then I'm gonna start mixing the ricotta. So, here. I'll give those to you and you can drain them. Okay, so I am taking 15 ounces of ricotta cheese. What are the ounces on those chickens? Those are 5-ounce cans. It's not a whole lot. That was all I had though, so. Okay, so we got our ricotta cheese, and we're just gonna add some spices and salt and pepper to it. I'm not measuring, so we'll just kind of roll with it. We use pink Himalayan salt. I'm just gonna put a little bit of pepper in. Gonna put some garlic powder. My guess is these are maybe like half a teaspoon, quarter teaspoon. You can just do it to taste however you like. And this is onion powder. Taste it?
No, I'm good. I'll wait.
Ricotta cheese is good, but it's kind of bland, so it's just to give it a little bit of spice, a little bit of zest to it. Okay, so we've got our
Shazam.
we got our chicken drained, and then what I'm gonna do is I have this is a pizza crust, so I've kind of rolled it out, and we're gonna make we're just gonna make pastries. And then I'm just gonna stuff them, and I'm gonna kind of roll them and pinch them. I'm using my cast iron. It's like a muffin pan. It's like a muffin top pan, but I think this will work well for just making those Parmesan poppers. This is kind of a spoof off chicken Parmesan, but chicken Parmesan seems to take quite a bit of time. Getting the chicken breast and rolling it and breading it. So we're kind of cheating. So what I did is I took some cheese and garlic croutons, and I smashed them. So when we put the chicken and the ricotta in, we're gonna put some of these in too. It's kind of like cheating on the breading. And then we just have some marinara sauce. Okay, so.
Yeah, you should see my mom's whole cast iron collection.
Cast iron's the best stuff to cook with.
It takes a while to heat up though.
It does, but that's not too bad. And I preheated the oven. The pizza crust said like 375, 400, so just depending on if your stove runs a little hot like mine, you can adjust it as needed. So, all right, buddy. So what I think we're gonna do is we'll cut these out, and then we'll stuff them.
With the pizza cutter?
Yeah, you can grab a pizza cutter, that's fine. Or maybe it's in the dishwasher. Hey, the pizza cutter's in the dishwasher. All right.
Oh yeah, we did use
I kind of made a template. You can hold that up. The muffin top pan. I found like a bowl that was significantly larger, and so I just kind of made like a print on my dough. So I kind of knew after I wrapped it how big it would need to be.
You did it with the outside of this bowl, right?
I did. I just used a bowl.
Yeah, but they could be a little big, but.
So, yeah. So I think that'll work. I think that'll work good. So what we are going to do, I don't know if you guys can see. So I just have our pastry, and then I'm just gonna kind of stuff it. So we'll put some chicken down.
good once my mom cooks it. She is a very good cooker.
Cute. And then we're gonna do a big dollop of the ricotta. Oh, that's pretty big. Maybe I ought to scale back just a smidge. And then
Going
we
and then I'm
will.
like, oh, maybe
Can
I
you
should-
grab the Parmesan out of the fridge?
Parmesan.
Mm-hmm.
Parmesan.
So we're gonna take some of these Parmesan crumbs and stick them in.
I was gonna shake it up and get those crumbs smashed.
Okay, and then if you want to open up the marinara and get me another, I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of marinara in each.
Jeez, they put on this on cake.
Can you get it? Ooh, good job.
Put all this stuff on the top. It's
So,
always the best to take
Right?
the stuff off the top. Good.
well, now you gotta wash the lid, dingy.
I know. It's always
Okay,
good. I like
so I'll just do like kind of 2 spoonfuls of that, and then we will pull these up.
Chef's
I'm
always
just working on some parchment paper over here so my dough doesn't stick. So I've just made kind of I've grabbed all the sides and I'm just gonna kind of twist it. And then there, we've got our little puff and it should fit. Look at that.
perfect.
Looks like it was meant for that.
And Mom, chefs always sample their cooking, even if it's out of a jar before they put it
Yeah.
on. Like marinara sauce.
All right. I hope we have enough dough for 6 of these. Do you want to bring the dog in?
Yeah.
For anyone who owns a beagle, you can hear the beagle barking in the background.
I regret getting that dog.
All right, so some more chicken in our pastry.
Alright, come on, dogs.
I guess I'm gonna try and scoot this down here so you can probably see a little better.
Come on.
Okay, so we're just doing, like I said, chicken in the pastry, dollop of ricotta with spices.
Okay, Luke, you are all the way.
And then we'll do some of those crushed croutons I talked about. A little bit of Parmesan. And we'll do some spoonfuls of marinara. Okay, and then, like I said, we're just kind of pulling up the sides. And then I'll just kind of take the top and just kind of twist it. Take it and twist it. Look at that. You can kind of see, it's just a puff pastry looking thing. Okay, awesome.
But I'm afraid
All right, so that's what we're doing. We're gonna finish the rest of these and then we'll put some pictures in between and then we'll let you know how they turn out. Okay guys, it's been 15 minutes. I just checked on our chicken Parmesan poppers and they are just starting to get golden on the top. So I'm guessing probably 5 to 7 more minutes and we will be able to pull them out. They smell great and this was just super easy, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it was just really, really easy. Something quick we just threw together. So about 5 more minutes and then we will show you guys what they look like.
So excited. I can't wait to eat one.
Right? Okay, everybody, it has been 25 minutes and I just checked them and they are ready to come out of the oven. I ended up cooking them at 385. Probably would have been better if I would have put them on 400 degrees and they might not have taken quite as long. But let's pull them out and see what they look like.
I'm so excited. Ooh.
I was going to say those look really, really good. Okay. All right.
There, guys. Wow.
One of our pastries didn't twist very well, but if you can see these, oh, they look wonderful.
Okay, Mom, you
Oh,
can
I'm so
put those out of my range, or I'm going to eat those all.
Oh, do you smell them? They just smell
Oh,
awesome.
don't. I don't want to eat one.
Okay, so
I'm hungry.
my one pizza crust dough, we rolled it out a little thinner and it made 6. So they're decent size. I think one per
Let me
person would
smell
be.
'em, actually. Oh, heaven.
All right. Well, we are going to let those cool, and then, yeah, we're going to serve them up and eat them. But those look fantastic. Let's pop one out. Let's take one out and cut it and see what it looks like. We'll do the one that's kind of that kind of didn't twist very well, and it's kind of ugly. So.
Kind of looks like a miniature pie.
Yes, it kind of does. Oh, that's nice and crispy. Oh my goodness,
It
Jimmy.
just squirts out.
That did. That just.
Oh my gosh.
That looks great.
They
though.
should have saw it when they squirted out. They couldn't see it. But that's
Okay.
cool.
Yeah. Okay, we've taken one of our chicken Parmesan poppers out, and we've cut it, and it just looks.
Twister.
It looks delicious, doesn't it? Do you want to try it?
I don't know.
Well, you're not going to eat one.
Well,
I'm going to give you dibs on the first bite. Can't make a video if we don't know what it tastes like, right?
Okay. Oh, ow, that's hot.
Oh, did you just burn your arm? Are you okay?
Yep. Oh, you can see it right there?
Cast iron keeps the heat in.
Yep. I'm okay. Okay.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Is it good?
I didn't get any chicken in it though, but it's still good.
Oh, I guess I kind of gave you an edge piece, didn't I?
It's okay. That's nice. It's good.
That is actually really good.
Mm-hmm. I will eat one.
Good.
Mm.
Hey, if this kid will eat it, it's a winner, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys so much for joining us. Be sure to
Like and subscribe to our channel.
Yes.
In the backwoods.
Barn in the Backwoods. So thank you guys for coming along and just winging this dinner with us. So I will try and put everything we did. I didn't measure everything, but in the comments below, I will put the recipe as best I can. So thanks for stopping by. Stay safe and God bless.
Bye.